Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. Image Plus Consultants is starting to see its acquisition strategy pay off. Over the last year, the company acquired The Woman's Place and more recently Island Radiology. This quarter, those acquisitions are beginning to show up in the numbers. Profit more than doubled to $32.8 million, while revenue climbed nearly 32% to $351.9 million. More than half of that revenue growth came from the acquisitions, with the results including 1 month of contributions from Island Radiology following its May 1 acquisition. CEO Kisha Anderson broke down the company's first quarter performance during its annual general meeting on Tuesday.
It was an increase of 84.5 million in revenue, as we did 351.9 million revenue for the first quarter. So it's an increase quarter over quarter of 84.5 million. And of that 84.5 million, 45.7 million came from the assets of the acquired portfolios, both The Woman's Place and Island Radiology. And the balance came from the assets that we had before acquisition. So showing that both sides of the portfolio are growing, and we want both sides to grow and grow efficiently so that we end up with a better net profit margin.
She also gave investors an update on its 33 Lady Musgrave Road development.
As a reminder, this is a joint venture partnership with Ripton Contracting, and we are going to end up, or you as our shareholders will end up owning the ground floor and the first floor. In our joint venture agreement, we have it that the other floors are not to be occupied by retail type business, but complementary businesses, so doctors' offices or businesses that don't utilize a lot of parking spaces, so that our patients will always have good access. We have an ambulance bay. The building actually comes with, I believe, it's 178 parking spaces, and we are making arrangements for additional parking in that area.
The Island Radiology acquisition also expanded Image Plus's footprint, adding locations in Mandeville, Ocho Rios, and Santa Cruz. That brings the company's network to 8 locations across Jamaica, strengthening its position in the diagnostic imaging market. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett. Thanks for watching.